Hello everybody. I'm just going to do a quick review of this Ashley Hearth 1200 square foot wood stove insert that I installed last year. Um, Overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. We're going to go over the pros and cons, but this is paired with a 25-foot stainless steel flexible chimney liner. My house, as you can probably guess, was equipped with a old-fashioned just open fireplace, and you could really feel a draft, especially if you got a fire going. It just sucked all the hot air out of the house, and this definitely is a large improvement over that system. So to start with, just a little bit about the stove. This is just a one-in-a-mill made in China wood stove insert. It's EPA rated, so it has the afterburning system, which works wonderfully. It's rated at 69,000 BTUs if it's running full bore, rated somewhere in the 70% efficiency range. And like I said, it's paired with a stainless steel chimney liner. Overall, the installation went very well. It was very simple. And I would say that if anybody has any mechanical inclination at all, they're more than capable of installing this stove themselves. They don't need to spend the money and have a contractor do it for you unless it's required by your insurance. Some pros. Like I said, it's easy to install. It's very affordable as far as stoves go. There are nicer inserts out there, but you're going to get into the several $1,000 ranges just for the stove part of it. This is a relatively small unit. It fits pretty much in any fireplace that I've ever seen, and it's all black. It does have some aluminum accents that you can put on there to give it some contrast, but it goes pretty much anywhere. Some of the cons, and this is just kind of the nature of the design and build of the stove, is a small firebox. I knew that going into it, but with the small firebox, you do get small burn times. It's rated for a maximum burn time of about 8 hours. I have yet to do that. I'd like to see what they consider an actual burn time. Basically, before I go to bed, I load this thing up, chock full as I can get it. I shut it down, and it's pretty cold in the house if I don't have the furnace backing this thing up. There are some manufacturing issues with this thing. Like I said, it's just a one-in-a-mill Chinese built wood stove. So there are some issues, like the blower fan below. I don't have that thing screwed onto the actual stove to keep things easy to clean. And it can kind of get into a harmonic vibration. It makes a lot of noise. That's why I have that little piece of cardboard stuck underneath there. And only other issue that I've really had is the top hinge pin on the door. It will actually work itself loose, and every now and then you have to tap that thing down with a ball peen hammer. And I've seen that in some Drolet stoves. This isn't the only stove it happens to, but I have seen that on the forums, and it does happen, and you have to watch it. Otherwise that door can come off and create big problems if you got a fire going. And this is another issue, that this is no fault of the stove, and this goes with any wood burning system, is just the mess that it creates. As you can see, there's dust everywhere. There's really no way around it other than just constantly be cleaning, and keep the stove scooped clean of ash if you can. And like I said, just keep cleaning around it. Overall, I'm very pleased with this system. I've recommended this to some friends that are having similar issues with their fireplaces, and one of the guys I work with, he installed it and he loves his, as far as I can tell. Other than that, if you have any questions, leave comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you. Bye.